job? Seriously? Visit Job News Live videos from YouTube. Subscribe and share.
Job notification number 677, India, Telangana, Hyderabad, Industry IT. Job title, Software Engineer. Total vacancies 1. Education, degree in Computer Science. Experience 1 to 3 years. Required skills, Azure, Exchange or other cloud. Full time. Job notification number 678 by 2024, India, Telangana, Hyderabad. Industry IT. Job title, Software Engineering 2. Total vacancies 1. Education, degree in Computer Science. Experience 3 to 4 years. Required skills C, C++, C, Java, JavaScript or Python. Full time. Job notification number 679 by 2024. India, Karnataka, Bangalore. Industry IT. Job title, Software Engineer Front End. Total vacancies 1. Education, degree in Computer Science or Engineering. Experience 2 to 4 years. Required skills good design, implementation, testing. Full time. Job notification number 680 by 2024, India, Telangana, Hyderabad. Industry IT. Job title, Technology Consulting, InfoSec. Total vacancies 1. Education, degree in Computer Science, Engineering and Finance. Experience 5 to 6 years. Required skills mitigations in application security space. Full time. Job notification number 681 by 2024, India, Delhi City. Industry IT. Job title, Technical Consultant, Senior Consultant. Total vacancies 1. Education, any graduate. Experience 6 to 7 years. Required skills strong coding skill using Dynamics AX X++. Full time. Notification number 682 by 2024, India, Karnataka, Bangalore City. Industry non-IT. Job title, Client Service Manager, C&I. Total vacancies 1. Education, MBA, Marketing. Experience 1 to 2 years. Required skills strong analytical skills, good business understanding. Full-time job. Job notification number 683 by 2024, India, Kolkata. Industry IT. Job title, Consulting ET&P, SAP, BRIM Consultant. Total vacancies 1. Education, degree in Computer Science, Information Technology. Experience 1 to 2 years. Required skills data, information and scripting languages. Full time. Job notification number 684, India, Maharashtra. Location Mumbai. Industry IT. Job title, Senior Consultant. Total vacancies 1. Education, degree in Computer Science, Information Technology. Experience 1 to 2 years. Required skills manual and automated testing tools. Full time. Job notification number 685 by 2024, India, Delhi. Industry IT. Job title, Adjutant Assurance Assistant Manager. Total vacancies 1. Education, BE, BTech in Computer Science, Information Technology. Experience 4 to 5 years. Required skills SOX, ISO, ITGC, LRA. Full time. Job notification number 687, India, Maharashtra, Mumbai City. Industry IT. Job title, TNT, HC, HRT, Oracle, HCM. Total vacancies 1. Education, any graduate. Experience 2 to 3 years. Required skills Oracle Cloud, HCM, full time, permanent. Job notification number 688 by 2024, India, Maharashtra, Mumbai. Industry IT. Job title, Assistant Manager. Total vacancies 1. Education, any graduate. Experience 2 to 3 years. Required skills graphic design skills, Prezi, Slide Dog. Full time. Job notification number 689, India, Karnataka, Bangalore. Industry IT. Job title, OCI Infrastructure Admin. Total vacancies 1. Education, any graduate. Experience 1 to 2 years. Required skills Oracle Cloud, Infrastructure. Full time. Job notification number 690 by 2024, India, Hyderabad, Telangana. Industry IT. Job title, Enabling Areas, Data Science, National Office 2. Total vacancies 1. Education, MBA, Data Science, AI, Analytics. Experience required. Experience 4 to 7 years. Required skills data extraction, processing, AI model development. Full time. Job notification number 691 by 2024, India, Mumbai, Maharashtra City. Industry IT. Job title, TNT, Cyber, DPT, IDAM Consultant. Total vacancies 1. Education, Master's degree in MBA. Experience 3 to 6 years. Required skills analytical, primary and secondary research. Full time. Notification number 692, India, Karnataka, Bangalore City, Industry IT, job title Senior Consultant, total vacancies 1, education any graduate, experience 6 to 8 years, required skills FICO, full time. Job notification number 693, India, Karnataka, Bangalore, Industry IT, job title Manager, total vacancies 1, education, degree in information technology, experience 7 to 8 years, required skills PowerPoint and Excel, advanced level knowledge, full time. Notification number 694, India, Karnataka, Bangalore City, Industry IT, job title ET and P, SAP, PICO, consultant, total vacancies 1, education any graduate, experience 6 to 8 years, required skills, knowledge in SD, FICO, modules full time. Job notification number 695 by 2024, India, Delhi, Industry, IT, job title Oil and Gas Executive, total vacancies 1, education, candidate should be BTech and MBA, experience 7 to 8 years, required skills, efficient in PowerPoint and Excel, full time. Job notification number 696, India, Karnataka, Bangalore, Industry non-IT, job title Assistant Manager, total vacancies 1, education any graduate, experience 3 to 4 years, required skills commercial bank loans or wholesale loans, full time job. Notification number 697 by 2024, India, Karnataka, Bangalore City, Industry IT, job title Senior Consultant, total vacancies 1, education degree in computer science, experience 5 to 6 years, required skills Azure Kubernetes services, full-time job. Notification number 698, India, Uttar Pradesh, Noida, Industry IT, job title Solution Architect, total vacancies 1, education any graduate, experience 12 to 13 years, required skills cloud technologies and architectures, full-time. Job notification number 699 by 2024, India, Maharashtra, Mumbai City, Industry IT, job title Application Lead, total vacancies 1, education any graduate, experience 5 to 6 years, required skills, linear regression, logistic regression, full time.